Hello, guys. This is Set to Achieve. Um, Welcome to another uh, recording. And today I'm going to talk about a new app that I discovered. I actually discovered it from another YouTuber's video. I saw that they were using it to do like kind of like a whiteboard illustration of their points. And I looked into it and I saw that it was I think they have like a paid version, but it's a free app. It's called Miro, Miro.com. It's an app that you can actually, it has different templates. It's I think it was basically created for to like help people maybe like in relation situations or business situations to be able to share their concepts, ideas, and to like maybe um like in a remote situation whereby maybe they're working from home or have at home businesses or whatever the case may be, like they're not in like an office where they can like physically see each other. So it's kind of like a smart concept, to be able to share your idea with like your teammates, your or associates or whoever it's in your circle, and so you can express your ideas like and and especially I liked because what I liked was the fact that he was able to show his screen and like like draw, and I'm just gonna like do like a quick tutorial of this app. Actually, I just downloaded this app. Um, well, it's not really downloaded. You actually just go to the website. It's called, okay, let me go here on Google. It's called Miro. I think it's like Miro, Miro.com/app, like something like that, and everything. And and this is like the whiteboard. So you can like Google it and everything. I actually saved it to um, I just bookmarked it, and so it's saved. Um, so just like a quick tutorial of how this is, because I'm actually just learning it myself, but I think that I can, like do more um like idea sharing, like in terms of like my YouTube videos to be able to, just like maybe draw and illustrate my points. So here, like if you scroll down to here, right, like it has this two like double pointing like V's stacked on top of each other. So basically it's just telling you that they have more tools. And here you can see like it has the pen tool. And if you click on the pen tool, you can see that it has different thicknesses. So like let's say you want to like write something, like let's say you write like okay, here's a dot. You want to write something. Okay, you see this as you move this thing right here, you can see that it's getting thicker and then it's getting thinner. So if I say hi, let me just write hi. You see that it's thinner. So if I increase the thicknesses, I can even change the color, and I write hi. You can see how thick this is. Hi, hi. You see? And it says invite your coworkers to try real-time collaboration. So you can invite members, you can invite them with your email. You have their email, invite them that they can share the board with you as well. They can see your point, they can see, some of the things that you're illustrating. And I think that this would be also very great for like presentations. Um, and as a matter of fact, like I was looking through the apps and it said like add to Zoom. So like let's say like you're having a meeting, like you have some people that you collaborated together, or you're meeting for whatever social situation, and you want to illustrate your points like a presentation. You can illustrate it with this. It said you can add to Zoom. So it's like I think it's really really like expressive, and it's really great to be able to um to let people know what your like basically how to express your ideas, like in a kind of um, like a pretty cool way. So you can say hi, um, and then if you you made a mistake, or you want to change your idea. It has an eraser tool, so you can erase. Like, okay, I don't want to say hi. I want to say something else. So you can erase this really easily. It's really cool. I really love the way the eraser erases. Um, and then also, you can, like, if you write something or do something, you can undo it as well. It has this undo button or redo. You know, um, it kind of like like some like Illustrator tools and stuff, or like I don't know, like what other tool that we possibly there are other tools that we can use. And then here it has the highlighter. It has a highlighter. I guess it's not as dark as the pen. Kind of like it highlights. So let's say you write something. So I'm going to use a pen tool to write something. I'm gonna write something. Okay, okay. Let's say we write something with the pen tool. Hello. Let's write hello. We can then use the highlighter to highlight it. See what I'm saying? You can highlight it just like you would like on a notebook. You want to highlight your point, you can highlight it. Then, not to mention, or not to forget to mention, it has a text tool. So you can click on the text tool and type something. You can type, um, hope you are enjoying. Hope you are enjoying this tutorial. Hope you are enjoying this tutorial. Okay. Hope you are enjoying this tutorial. And another great thing is that you can edit the text. So you can change the font to, whatever it is that you want. So let's say you don't want open sans. You can, okay, so first of all, you can click on the font, change it to something else that you know, maybe more bold or something maybe cursive. You want to add a little design, you can, you know, you know, this is more like handwriting. You can bold it, you can change the color, you turn it to green or something a little bit, or dark blue. So you can change that. It's really cool. Um, you can highlight it. What is a highlighting tool? I click on this, and then the highlighter, you can highlight, like, let's say the hope. Highlight hope and tutorial. So it's really cool. You can do that. And like I was saying, I think it's very, very important to be able to illustrate your points. And then you can, whenever you're done doing your illustrations, let's say like you wanna, and I really love that he was talking about, he's actually a coach, and he was talking about, um, how he's able to use organic traffic to, to help to build his business. Like he connects with people online and is able to connect with his audience on like Facebook or and and things like that, and on the messenger. So he's able to do that. And so he was illustrating his points with Miro, and he was saying, like, for example, he, like he, okay, like, okay, I'm gonna use, like, okay, let me use blue. Let me use another color. I hope that allows me to use another color. Okay, let's say blue. And like he was like illustrating his points, like, you know, um, okay, let's say this is like a river, or and do like a maybe how do you like let's say like a tunnel. Yeah. But anyway, I don't really have a mouse, so I'm just using like the regular. trackpad, so it's not coming out that well. But like you get my point. Like you can illustrate your points to your audience, and like just make it more visual. Because a lot of people are visual. They want to be able to see what you're saying. So not only hear what you're saying, they want to see. So this is a great app to if you're a content creator like I am. Always constantly creating. Content for for people, my audience, to be able to get my point across. This is really great for you, um, and then you can go back and erase the stuff that you erase. You can just click on it, get the arrow, click on this, and just click on delete and delete it, and you have a clear board. So this is set to achieve. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get any videos that I post. And if you learn anything new, which I know you have, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Okay. And till next time, thank you for watching.